Sometimes the camper van breaks down. This time it happened during my road trip in Germany. Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard!
Last night, both me and my friend, we both saw immediately that there was something wrong with the camper van front. A leak of oil of some sort on a thick line over here. I didn't get any error messages on my way here. We drove around 60 kilometers, so it's not anything super critical. The liquid that is leaking is brown in color. It is some sort of oil. You can see it in the texture, you can feel it in the texture. It doesn't smell. It's definitely not coolant. It is not engine oil. It is not brake fluid, which is super good. It shouldn't be in this area, I guess. After some troubleshooting, we figured out it's the power steering liquid. Oil level in the power steering container is a little bit low. It's not empty, and I still have the power steering. But the thing is that I don't want the reservoir to go completely empty, because I don't want to damage the power steering pump and the power steering rack that we replaced earlier this year. It was a very, very big repair, and we already found a local Mercedez Benz dealer with a workshop, Werkstatt auf Deutsch. It is 14 minutes drive, and I'm sure that I can drive there. We believe it is the radiator of the power steering liquid, which is in front of the coolant radiator in the front. Part shouldn't be very expensive. It is something like between 80 to 100 euros, the spare part. But of course, there is the repair work and other fees for the business. Not very nice end of the Schwarzwald period, but well, I'm really happy that it happened yesterday. It's Monday evening, so I have workshops open all the week, and I had just finished driving the beautiful spaghetti roads. If I lose the power steering, it's not a catastrophe. I'm prepared for that, but I rather not lose all the liquid in the power steering container. All right, let's put the cover for the service and head to the office. Guten Morgen, wie geht's? Haben Sie eine Werkstatt für Mercedez Benz in der Nähe? Ist es hier?
Ja.
Okay, vielen Dank. Ich bin Angelina aus Finnland und ich habe meine eigenen Camper. Es ist 10 Jahre alt, Sprinter, die weiß da.
Ja.
Und der Modell ist 906 und die Servolenkung, Öl, ist ein bisschen weg. Ich habe wieder ein bisschen Öl in der Servo, aber der Cooler in der Vorne ist kaputt.
Nehmen Sie gerade noch Platz bei meinem Kollegen.
Okay.
Ich hole Ihnen der Herr.
Ich warte da, vielen Dank. Ja, ich kann gerne hier übernachten. Morgen, die Teil kommt hier.
Ja.
Sehr gut. Und was glauben Sie, wie viel kostet es? Like, etwa? Ich kann, oder Sie kann die Auto fahren raus und ich kann hier schlafen. Ja. We are ready. The camper van is running again. It's fixed, that's most important. It took only 1 day. They needed to order the part as well. I want to clean it up because I want to see if there's something new happening. Careful with the paint and the plastic. Time to move on to the next place.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time.